Okay, hi boys and girls. So we are going to continue with our revision. This is June 2025 paper 1, question 13a. Factorize completely 5m to the power 2 minus 12. What is to factorize? To factorize is to factor out something common. So I have 5m squared minus 20. If you check, 5 is the common thing here, so you remain with m squared minus 4. M squared is a perfect square. 4 is also a perfect square. So this is the difference of two squares. So you are supposed to factorize the difference of these what? Two squares. So this is m plus 2 into m minus 2. This is the final answer. 13b. Simplify 3x plus 3y divided by x squared minus y squared. 3x plus 3y divided by x squared plus y squared is equal to. You factor out 3 in the numerator, you remain with x plus y. Here, this is the difference of the two squares. So this is x minus y into x plus y. Okay, you divide the numerator by x plus y and this one by x plus y. What is the answer? You remain with 3 divided by x minus y. This is the final answer. Let's move on to question number 14. The table below shows the number of children living in houses at the staff quarters at a certain school. Number of children in a house. Number of houses. Okay, so you are given the number of children in a house and you are also given the number of houses. Find the mode, median, and mean. So the mode is the part with the greatest what? With the greatest frequency. So in this case, this is the greatest frequency 5. So the mode is 3. So mode is equal to 3. Now we want to find out the median. So the median is the what? Is the mid term. So the median is given by n plus 1 divided by 2 term. Okay, this is the median. Where n is the total number of houses, this is the frequency, right? So you find out the number of houses. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1 plus 0. This is 15. So this is equal to 15 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. 10. So this is equal to 15 plus 1. This is 16 divided by 2. So this is the 80th term. So the 80th term is the median. So 2 plus 3, this is 9. So this is 4. This is 5. Plus this 4, this is 9. So the 80th term is in this position, right? So the number of houses in the number of children in a house is what? Is 2. So the median is 2. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. We want to find out the mean. So mean is equal to you multiply the number of children in a house and what? And the number of what? Of houses. So 0 times 2, 0 times 2 plus this is 1 times 3 plus this is 2 times 4 plus this is 3 times 5 plus this is 4 times 1 plus this is 0 times 5 divided by what? Divided by the total number of houses, which is 15. If you check, this is 0. 0 times 2, it is 0. 1 times 3, this is 3. This is 8. This will give me 15. This will give me 4. This is 0. Okay. This is 12, right? 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 15, 27. Plus 3, this is 30 divided by 15. So the mean is 2. Okay, the mean is 2. Let's move on to question number 15. So see, in the diagram is triangle RST. In the diagram is triangle RST. MN is parallel to ST. RM is equal to 5 centimeters. RN is equal to 8 centimeters. And MS is equal to 10 centimeters. Name the triangle similar to triangle RST. See, we have what we call similar shapes. We have what we call similar shapes, and we also have what we call congruent shapes. Okay, see, similar shapes are figures. These are figures with the same shape, but not necessarily what size. But not necessarily size. Okay, so I'm seeing similar shapes have the same shape, but the size might be different. Then congruent shapes, these are exact shapes. These are exact what? Exact what figures? They have the same shape, at the same time they have the same what? The same size. So in this case, we want to find out the shape, the triangle which is similar to RST. So triangle RMN. Triangle RMN is similar to triangle RST, which is true. RMN is similar to RST. Okay, let's move on to B. Find the length of NT. Find the length of NT. How to find the length of NT? See, I said triangle RMN is similar to triangle RST. So you can find the proportion of the what of the length and the ratio of the length. Like side RM divided by side RS should be equal to MN divided by ST, which is equal to RN divided by RT. See, RM is given, this is nothing but 5. RS is given, which is 10 plus 5. So RS is 15, okay, which is equal to MN is not given, so I'm going to write MN, and ST is not given, I'm going to write ST is equal to RN is given, this is 8. RN is given, this is 8, and RT is 8 plus 8T, so this is 8 plus 8T. See, this can be further reduced. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 3. Okay, so I have 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to 8 divided by 8 plus 8t. You do cross multiplication. 8 plus 8t multiplied by 1. This will give me 8 plus 8t is equal to 3 multiplied by 8. This is 24. So nt is equal to 24 minus 8. So nt is equal to 16 centimeters. This is the final answer. Let's move on to question number 16. Given that vector AB is equal to 3, negative 4. So I have here, suppose A is here, suppose B is here. So this is my A, this is B. So this is the direction of the vector. It's from A to B. Vector AB is equal to 3, negative 4. And vector BC is equal to 6, negative 4. Suppose this is C here. I'm just assuming, okay, vector BC is 6, 4 like this. Okay. Express AC as a column vector. You are supposed to find out this vector AC. So vector AC is given by, you want to move from A to C. How? You follow this path. So vector AC is given by AB, yes, plus BG BC. Okay, AB plus BC. Here, AB is 3 negative 4 plus BC is 6 what? 4. Okay, now 3 plus 6, what is the answer? This is equal to 9. Negative 4 plus 4, what is the answer? This is 0. Okay, so this is vector AC. Find this. This is nothing but the length of AB. Find the length of AB. How to find the length of AB? The magnitude of AB, of vector AB. You find out the square root of 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. Okay, which is equal to the square root of 9 plus 16, which is equal to the square root of 25, which is equal to this is 9, this is 16, 25, which is equal to 5 units. This is the magnitude of vector AB. Okay, let's move on to question number 17. Question number 17. This is 17A. Convert 101 to base 2 to a number in base 5. Okay. B. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order: 1 1 0 1 0 base 2 3 1 2 base 5 and 13 base 10. This is a two-mark question. C. Evaluate 312 base 5 minus 143 base 5. Give the answer in base 5. This is a 1-mark question, this is a 2-mark question, and this is a 1-mark question. So let's do this question together. Convert this number is in base 2 to a number in base 5. We know that a number in base 2 is called a binary number. So this is a binary number. We want to convert it to a number in base 5. So if you have base 2, you convert this number to base 10 first. You convert this number to base 10 first. So this is the thing that I'm doing. 1 1 0 1 0 1 base 2 is equal to 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Yes. 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 0 times 2, this one. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Which is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 5, this is 32 plus 1 times 2 to the power 4, this is what? 16 plus 0 times 2 to the power 3, this is 0 plus 1 times 2 to the power 2, this is 4 plus 0 plus any number raised to the power 0, the result is 1. So 1 times 1, what is the answer? This is 1. 16 plus 4, this is 20. 20 plus 1, this is 21. 21 plus 32, this is equal to 53. So this number is equal to 53 in base what? 10. Now we want to convert this number to base 5. So what do? You divide by 5. Okay, you divide this number by 5. So I'm going to divide this number by 5. 53 here, 5 here. 5 into 5 is 1, and 5 into 3 is 0. Remainder what? Remainder 3. Here, 5 into 10, what is the answer? Is 2. Remainder what? Remainder 0. Now 5 into 2, what is the answer? It is 0. Remainder what? Remainder 2. Then you collect, take the numbers from the bottom to the top. So this 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 base 2 is equal to 203 base 5. Okay, this number is equal to 203 base 5. Let's move on to the next question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, from the smallest to the biggest number. Okay, so you are supposed to convert these numbers into base 10. Then it will be easy for you to compare. Okay, so let's convert this to base 10. This is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2 is equal to 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times what? 2. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus here is 0. Okay, 16 plus 8, this is 24. 24 plus 2, this is 26 base 10. So if you convert this number to base 10, this is the answer. Let's convert this number to base 5. 3, 1, 2 base 5. We want to convert it to base 10 again. So this is 3 times 5 plus 1 times 5 plus 2 times 5. Okay, to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2. This is 3 times 25. 3 times 25, what is the answer? This is 3 times 25, what is the answer? 75, right? I think 75. 25 by 3, 5, yes, 75. Here, plus 5, plus, what is this? 2 times 1, this is 2. So this is 82 base 10. So which one is the biggest number? This is the biggest number. This is the smallest number. And this is the what? The middle. So this is 13 base 10, followed by what? Followed by 26 base 10. And the biggest one is what? Is 3, 1, 2 base what? 5. Okay, this is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next part. Evaluate 312 base 5 minus 143 base 5. Give the answer in base 5. So I have 312 base 5, subtract 143 base 5. You're supposed to give your answer in base 5. See, 2 subtract 3, it's not possible. So you borrow 1. But see, we are in base 5. In base 5, 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 5. So 2 subtract 3 is not possible, right? So I'm going to borrow 1. But this 1 is equal to 5. So 5 plus 2, what is the answer? 7. The moment you borrow 1, you increase this number, it becomes 5. So 7 subtract 3, what is the answer? This is 4. Okay, here 1 subtract 5 is not possible. So I'm going to borrow 1, but my 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1, I'm going to get a 6. Here I'm going to increase. 6 subtract 5, what is the answer? The answer is 1. 3 subtract 2, what is the answer? The answer is 1. So this is the final answer. So the difference between these two number bases is 114 base 5. Okay? Let's move on to question number 18. Question number 18. given as 1 is to 150,000 feet. Okay, this is question number 18. Find A. Distance on the ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map in kilometer. So you are given the scale on a map. The scale on a map is given as this. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This simply means 1 centimeter on the paper. 1 centimeter on the paper represents 150,000 centimeters on the ground. Okay, so they are saying you are supposed to find the distance on the ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map in kilometers. So they are asking you to convert this number into kilometers. We know this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay? What about this 150,000 centimeters? This is more. Okay? So you say 150,000 divided by 100 times 1. What is the answer? Like this, like this. You are going to get 1,500 meters. So we have converted these centimeters into meters. We also know this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. What about 1,500 meters? So this is more. If it is more, this is 1,500 divided by 1,000 times 1. What is the answer? We are going to get 1,5 kilometers. So 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 1.5 kilometers on the ground. Let's move on to part B. Find the distance on the map representing a distance on the ground of 7.5 kilometers. Give the answer in centimeters. 1 centimeter on the paper is equal to 1.5 kilometers. Okay. What about 7.5 kilometers on the ground? This is what? More. So this is 7.5 divided by 1.5 times 1. What is the answer? This is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. So 5 centimeters on the map will be representing 7.5 kilometers. You get 2 marks for this. Let's move on to question C. The actual area represented by an area of 4 square centimeter on the map. Give the answer in square kilometers. C. 1 centimeter represents 1.5 kilometers on the map. So 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter would be representing 1.5 kilometer times 1.5 kilometer. And this is nothing but 1 square centimeter on the paper would be representing 2.25 square kilometers. Here we are. So 1 square centimeter on the paper is equivalent to 2.25 square kilometers. Yes. 1 square centimeter is equal to 2.25 square kilometers. What about this 4 square centimeters? We will be representing more. So 4 by 1 into 2.25. Okay. So what is the answer? The answer is 9 square kilometers. So 4 square centimeter on the map is equivalent to 9 square kilometers. Okay. Let's move on to question number 19. It is given that A is equal to H open bracket 4M plus H. A. Express M in terms of H and A. This is a 3-mark question. B. Given that A is equal to 20 and H is equal to 2, calculate the value of M. This is a 2-mark question. Okay, so this is the question. It is given that A is equal to H open bracket 4M plus H close bracket. A. Express M in terms of H. What is to express M in terms of H? To express M in terms of H is to make M the subject of the formula. The subject of the what? Of the formula. Is to make M the subject of the formula. So this is the thing that I'm going to do here. I'm going to divide both sides by H. So A divided by H is equal to 4M plus H. Now A divided by H, bring this H to this side, minus H is equal to 4M. This is over 1. So I'm going to combine this. I'm going to express this as a single fraction over H. H is the lowest common multiple. H into H, this is 1. Multiplied by A, this is A minus 1 into H is H. H multiplied by H, this is H squared, is equal to 4M. Now we want to make M be the subject of the formula. You divide both sides by 4. Okay, you divide both sides by 4. In other words, you multiply here by 1 divided by 4. You multiply here by 1 divided by 4. So M is equal to 1 divided by 4 into A minus H squared divided by H. And this can be further written as M is equal to A minus H squared divided by 4H. So this is the final answer. B, given that A is equal to 20, A is equal to 20, yes, and H is equal to 2, so this is minus 2 to the power 2 divided by 4, like this, right? So this is equal to M is equal to 20 minus 2 to the power 2, it means 2 times 2, which is what? 4. divided by 4 times 2. What is the answer? This is 8. So m is equal to 20 subtracting 4. This is 16 divided by 8. So m is equal to 2. This is the final answer. So I will see you in the next class. I'm going to upload question number 20, 21 up to 24. Have a good day. Thank you.
You read at the